Hey friends, if you wish to remove leftover files after uninstall in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what you have to do. First of all, search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Now check all the boxes here, each and every one of them, and then click on OK and then select delete files. It will clear up the redundant files associated with it, but it will not delete the complete log. Here's what you have to do. Go to the OneDrive folder, go to the app data folder here, okay, and try to find the files associated with it. For example, I wish to delete the logs for Adobe because I just uninstalled Adobe Premiere Pro. So delete it from here, and then you can go back to the same page, go to documents, and if you find Adobe's folder here, for example, I have ShareX folder here, but if you find Adobe's folder, just delete it. Okay, so once you delete it, you're deleting most of the components, but you may still be needing a third-party uninstaller for future. I'll tell you why. While you have deleted most of the temporary files associated with them, but if you would have used a third-party uninstaller like Revo uninstaller, you could have done it at the first place. So this is the cure, that is the prevention. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.